guys, it is a brand new Animal Company video today, this morning, at the night, in the afternoon, whatever time it is for you guys. And today we're going to be checking out the brand new update with Sky in the game and the new bunker planetarium broccoli update. So let's get into it. Free Animal Company jacket. Subscribe to Animal Company video. Then head to Discord.
Nah. Okay, shop time. Oh no, my controllers.
Whoa, that's pretty goated. That's pretty goated.
But I mean, like. Oh.
Beautiful Sky. You're beautiful. Alright, so as you guys can see, we have Sky is now in the game. 4,000 on sale. We might have to get this.
I mean, right, but like, check this goat pack. I'm
pretty goated.
I mean, it's not that cool. We don't need it.
Yeah. Guys, I may have bought the pack.
And guiding us to the trip is Balas. Say hi, Balas.
What's up?
Beautiful man.
Hi.
Okay, equipment buying
Any pickaxes?
time. Beep, beep, beep. Got my equipment.
I've got a pipe, bro. Yeah, there's a research point planet. That's crazy. Okay. Oh, alright. Let's go.
Onwards.
Okay, follow me. Let's go, boys. I have that place memorized, guys.
Some
guys. Yo. And there's...
Come on, monkey.
There's literally no spiders on the way there. There's like no spiders.
Oh, no way.
You sure about that? Yeah, I'm sure. Follow me.
Take us.
No. This is gonna be so crazy.
It's so cool. It's actually so cool. And you can like follow the planet's gravity. It's pretty cool.
I think you jump to the bottom. Down here.
Balas. Yeah, follow me.
Hold up.
Follow. Yeah. Okay, don't
Kill yourself.
I don't have a grappler.
I might have gotten myself. Oh, I'm here.
Come on. Okay, let's go. Dude, wait, we have to do a cinematic walk.
Guys, be careful. This will fall. You ready? It's gonna fall.
What?
That's what I mean.
Where do I go now?
Wait.
Pause. Before this video carries on, I want you guys to like and subscribe to this channel. We are nearly at 300 subscribers, and at 300 subscribers, we're going to be at 300 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe so that we can get to 300 subscribers, because then we'll be able to get to 300 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Anyways, back to the video.
You can come down, you can get there from the bottom. Yeah, go to the, I'll show you guys. Yeah, you
Okay, I got this.
Oh, it's falling.
Oh no.
Yeah, guys, you can just, I like to climb on it from the bottom, it's a lot easier.
Whoa, okay. I made it.
What's down here?
Whoa.
Wait for him, Oh!
Yeah, right
What? Whoa. Wait, is the broccoli free?
Wait, research. Come on, please. Use one. What even that? To the abyss. Wait, is there a bottom? Oh, I'm like stuck to the tank.
Oh, the broccoli!
Wait, that's a new broccoli. Wait,
Oh no.
new broccoli?
The pink one is the small broccoli.
New broccoli?
I have the OG broccoli.
Oh wait, you didn't look different.
Yeah.
What is this one?
The green one is the grow broccoli, the pink is the shrink one, bro.
Wait, is this
The
me?
pink broccoli shrinks you.
Wait, does that mean there's a whole Animal Company universe? Because look, there's like
Yeah,
a portal.
the code for in. Yeah, you see, yeah, it's like adult company.
Dude, this is so cool.
Way too fun.
Let's get out of here, boys.
I'm a fatty, guys. I'm so
Let's just go. Should we take in how we came here?
Yeah. Woo! That was awesome.
help
That
me.
was so awesome.
Onwards. Space.
That was sick, dude.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Oh, yeah, we are.
When we
Ryder, when we get back, we take the box.
get back.
That good?
Yep.
Woo!
We're back.
Unfortunately, we lost our travel guide during the process. Oh, that's a mimic.
Oh no.
I think we took the wrong way.
Yep.
He might be activated.
Run.
Actually, Ryder, he's coming after me.
We lost our guide.
He died.
We may have lost our guide.
Died.
Get me out! Nothing will ever make the mines less scary than it already is.
Abdul.
Oh, travel guide! Travel guide James! You're back!
Oh, travel guide's back. We almost lost.
I think it's time to test the broccoli. Let's compare it with the OG one first.
Yeah. Oh wait, they're the same thing.
Oh, so
They're
then
not OG.
Nah.
testing time. Munch.
Guys, are you ready to eat?
Whoa. I'm pretty massive, you can call me.
You know what else is massive?
The low taper fade.
That's so true.
I think I'm... Yo, watch me escape the entire... Watch me jump to the... Scale this. This is where my gorilla tag skills come in. A light work, yes, reaction. Oh, can I get to Walter's house? I'm about to get to Walter's house. Scale time. Oof. Secret couch? Secret couches? Let's go. I believe I can. Onto the small one. Let's just put that there, that there. Wait, hold up.
Guys, I may be a little massive. Luca, come outside.
Coming. That was the video. Please remember to like and subscribe. And if this video gets 500 likes, we will give away a backpack full of pumpkins. So guys, to enter this giveaway, just join the code ASQ if this video gets 500 likes, and we'll meet you there and give you the 500 pumpkins. And guys, without further ado, Ryder, say the final word.
Enjoy the video and like and subscribe.
Bye!